Hi, I'm Andrew Pullen, Managing Director of Vortex Leisure, and today I'm delighted to be talking to you about the Vortex Spa's Smart Stream audio and Wi-Fi kit. And we'll start with 5 great reasons to choose the audio and Wi-Fi kit when you purchase your next Vortex Spa. So number 1, it is completely plug and play. You do not need to order the spa with the audio and Wi-Fi kit fitted from the factory. You just grab one of these boxes from your nearest retailer and you can install it yourself. Secondly, great sound. So not only are there between 3 and 4 topside speakers, depending on the model of the spa, but also a great subwoofer for those deep bass sounds, and it connects straight into the spa's control system, so you can control it from the side of the spa. Thirdly, it comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning that you can control your spa remotely. If you're away from home and you want to turn your spa up or down, or check for any error readings, then you can do that straight from an app on your phone. Number 4, the Wi-Fi kit allows for remote diagnosis. So in the unlikely event that there is any issues with your spa, our Vortex Spa's technicians can check remotely with the spa's controller and see what's going on. And number 5, because it is plug and play, if you do ever need to change a speaker, then it's literally a 30-second job. As we'll see, you just twist off the cover plate, unplug the speaker, plug a new one in, and away you go. Most other spa audio systems would require a technician to attend on site to change a speaker or other equipment. With this system, you can do it yourself. So let's see what's in the box. First, and probably most importantly, instructions as to how to install the audio Wi-Fi kit and a QR code link to further information. We have 4 separate speakers. Now, if you've got a portable spa, then you only require 3 of these, meaning that you have a spare. But if you're choosing a Vortex Swim Spa, they have 4 speakers installed around the top side. So we have them here, good quality speakers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we have the amplifier and Wi-Fi unit. So this is the Smart Stream unit from SpaNet. SpaNet is an Australian spa equipment manufacturer. Vortex have been using SpaNet equipment and pumps for at least the last 15 years. So it's great quality product with great backup. Have some connection wiring, and then underneath we lift this out. So we have the subwoofer. So this is the boom box in the system. Gives you those great bass sounds. And we have all of the connection wiring required to self-install the unit. Thanks very much for watching.